Get ready to learn forex trading from scratch. I, Akinwole Victor, will be your tutor for 6 weeks. I'll be teaching you trading from scratch, from beginners with how to know knowledge without knowing what is forex, to an advanced class where you can be able to analyze trading charts yourself, take trades, identify patterns, manage risks, manage emotions, and be profitable in the forex market. I'll be taking you a 6 weeks course on forex trading from scratch, like I said, and I'll be releasing a YouTube video at least 3 times in a week. So if you've not subscribed on this channel, kindly subscribe now, because we're about to dive into the world of forex trading. We are going to unlock the secrets of profitable forex trading. Let's go back to the forex course of the blueprints from trading the forex market from scratch to what advanced trader. Today we'll be dealing with the topic um the topic and the understanding of our major trading platform, which is the trading the which is Trading View. I wanted to mention it, Trading the Zone. Trading the Zone is a psychology book written by Mark Douglas. So I will be dealing with and understanding concept of Trading View and how to use it and how some of the interface looks like. So coming, I already have an account with them, but let's say you are coming in fresh, you open your computer browser, you have opened it, or on your phone, you can just type out Trading View, and just search. You get to see it here. Trading View track all markets. You can see it's, you can use it to do a lot. These are, I think now they are doing a Black Friday and like the choice. So I think I already have an account with them. So you click on this place if you've not created an account with them. Then you click on this. Yeah, this is how it's going to look like. Then you click on this user icon here. So you click on sign in. Okay, hold on. Yeah, then you do sign in with Google. Yeah, I'll sign in with my own pass now. Google here now. You can see VstreakFx, and if you've not created an account, you do sign up here. As easy as that. So this is going to load down to this is going to load at first. Then you find a way on how you get to the to your peers. You enlarge it here. Yeah, get to see your charts on full. I trade gold very, very well. So let me pick something very, very clear. Okay, let me just pick a clear chart. So this is how your trading view will actually look like. You have time frames there. Possibly when you're opening a default, we don't have all this time frame listed there. I think I've once explained what time frame means. Time frame is the time that it requires a candle to open and close at a given time range. Let's say I'm on 5 minutes time frame now. It takes this candle to open and close every 5 minutes. I don't know if you're with me. It takes the candle to open and close. If I'm on 15 minutes time frame, it takes any candle here opens and closes every 15 minutes. Let's say this is a candle that is on now, in the next 1 minute is going to close. So that's how it is. That's where you add the time frame. So it depends on the system you are trading. As we go on, I'll be telling you the time frames you'll be adding on to your chart. So TradingView offers a after explaining TradingView to you in the beginners class, where we're talking about trading platform and the basic tools you need as a first trader, which I spoke about: Meta 4, Meta 5, TradingView, and my FX book as an economic calendar. So if you want to add your time frame, depends on the system you are trading. So I'll be telling you later in future when I get down to the system of building confluences, or when we get to a topic that relates to so much in time frame. I'll be telling you the time frame which we'll be using. But you can just add basic time frames like the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, make them favorite. 1 hour, 4 hours, you asterisk them. You get, let's say I'm adding 3 minutes, you just mark them. You want to add 45 minutes, and all your time frame will be displayed here. And if you want to remove any, you can also remove any by moving it from here. Let's say you can also remove any. Let's say you want to remove 4 hours, you want to remove the monthly, like that. So at the right hand side here, you have your peers listed here. This is Amstar, if you know, Amstar Combat is a cryptocurrency. I think it was launched recently. It's an airdrop. So Amstar Combat, I have the pair just here. We're just watching how the price movement looks like. This gold, which you know I trade gold very very well. This gold, this pounds USD. This is BTC USSD. And if you want to add a pair, let's say your pair is not on your watch list here, you can add your pair here. Look at it. Look at this plus sign. You click on this plus. Let's say I want to add Euro USD. I'll type in Euro USD. And when I type it in, I click on it here with the plot sign and add it to my watch list. I can see it there. Let's say any pair of any kind. Let's say I want to add pounds, GPY, GPP, JPY, any pair. You know what our pair is. Those are the assets in which we are trading. So, and currency pair. Let's say I want to add GBP, is going to be on my watch list here. So I can add any of the pairs here. I can close the pairs, the watch list tab here, as easy as that. These are the price range where the price values are indicated. And on this plain place, on these are the candlesticks. These are the candlesticks. We've not got into candlestick topic. We'll be covering that also this week. So these are the candlestick is being displayed. Candlestick is just to display the information of buyers and sellers in the market. So you can add indicators. Your peers name will be here. Your peer names will be here. Your indicators which you added will be here. Indicators are more like the mathematical things that are formed together to either suggest to you to buy or to sell, or just have a way you are using it. Like now I have a section indicator. It tells me when the London section is kicking in, when the New York section is kicking in. Though I just modified it to just London and New York section. You can add it to the Tokyo section. I think I explained what all the section means and the major sections we have in the beginners class. If you've not watched it, you can go back to the video and look at it. So let me off it back because sometimes it makes the chart not to be clear. So we have tools. All these are the tools I make use of, which have asterisk, which I've made favorite. Let's say you want to have a tool here which you are not having here. You can have trend line. You mark it as favorite, horizontal ray line, horizontal. Any tool you need, the fib level, you add it as your favorite. Your profit yard, this is what shows, long is to buy, short is to sell. So let's say your profit here, I'll show you how all of them work down here. This is your price range to measure the price movement and the likes. This is your text tool to type in text and the like. So let's go through every of these tools. Let's go through. So firstly, this is the profit yard of buy. Long, you can see, you can look at, say it looks long position. Let's say I want to buy from here. I want to buy from this candle. Okay, let me look for a very good push. Let's say I want to buy from here. This tool helps us to indicate our risk to reward. It helps us to calculate our stop loss, the numbers of pips you want to use for your stops. It helps to calculate our profit by dragging it. It helps to determine the risk to what we are risking. You can see how it looks like. And for the what they call it, and I will just drag it to just pick it and place it wherever you are going to. You just left click, just click it anywhere you are going to, just place it there. So that's for buy. And for sell is from here. Just click it from here. You can see how the sell looks like. You can drag profits, your loss, how you want the loss you can actually tolerate. You drag it here. The tools are basically easy to play with. You can play around it. We have our horizontal ray. You can see tapping on it, you can see the horizontal ray. You can use it to, you see a lot of times I have this horizontal ray, and you can modify them, change the color. You can see settings to change the colors. You can change the color to anything you like. So this is an horizontal ray. Is added as favorite. Is usually used in picking supports, resistance, and just having a clean chart. So that's what it's meant for. We have an arrow. Most times when I'm trying to draw my break of structures, to indicate my break of structure, I make use of it and add text in between the line. So it can be used for something very, very nice also. We'll get to see them as we just get to add them. You can just snap them now and add most of them on your trading view if you are following along with me. As we go on in the course, you get to see how we make use of them. This is our vertical line. You can see I can place it anywhere vertically on the chart just to break. Sometimes I use it to create a break of my section or my time or any area I want to study on the chart and just corner it somewhere. So I have a part two. Maybe when I'm studying the chart or I'm trying to describe something to you guys, you get to see me use it very, very well. I can actually use the part two just to show how the markets move. The markets move in waves. So easily the tool can actually move in waves. You get it can move in waves. So I can actually use it to identify the price movement. I can use it to trace down what the price has been doing. Let's say look at the price here. You can see I can easily trace what that price is doing here. I can easily use it to teach. I can easily use it to study. And I have the box to identify a zone to pick my area of interest, to mark out my area of interest. That's how this is being used. I use it in marking out my area of interest. So yeah, sorry. So I have my trend line. I see this trend line tool. Trend line to get to the topic of trend line. You get to see it from the world trend. When something is trending, something is keep pushing to the upside. And so that line actually help us to identify uh, how a trend has possibly been happening before, and the trend line will keep it strong. And like all these tools are more of like a strategy. They have rules in which they follow. When we get to each of the topics, we get to discuss them exclusively. So just trying to give you an introduction of the tools. Yeah. So I've told you of the short position. This is the price range. Let's say I want to measure the price, the total pips that the price has moved. I can actually use this price range to determine it instead of calculating pips by 1.25 something minus this. You just use that price tool to know how many pips the price has dropped or moved. So we have the horizontal ray. This is a long horizontal ray. It covers everything. It covers distance. It goes straight up. So we have the text tool. Let's say I want to write happy learning. Anything I want to write on the chat, any notes, I can actually use it with this text tool. And the likes. So these are more of like the basic tools in which we have. So yeah, you can get to add them here. You have your time reading here. You can choose your particular time zone. Actually, I use Lagos time zone. You can see because I live in Lagos, Nigeria. You can add your indicator, any indicator you are using. I use the 7 EMA, which I make use of the 35 EMA there. There's a section indicator. You can search it. Anything, let's say relate volume something. I think I used to see volume things on people's chat. I used to see EMA. We have different type of EMA. Any tool you can actually add it there. You can actually screenshot your chart here, screenshot anything. You can also download the app. You can also download the app on their website and have it. And all this thing, anything you do on your trading view will be documented. It's going to synchronize live. Either you're using your phone, you're using your laptop, everything kind of like work together. So you don't have to bother yourself if your data is saving and the like. So TradingView seems to be very, very good to use. And I don't know if I was being clear enough. So this is how I use TradingView. So if you have any question on how you can get to use the TradingView properly, drop a comment section. Drop your comments in the comment section. I will drop my phone number, my WhatsApp number. You can message me and we'll talk more on how you can do it. And I can also still guide you properly in doing it. So if you love this video, kindly like, drop a comment, and we'll see you again in the next class. Our next class will be candlestick pattern. Expect it in 2 to 3 days also. And stay tuned. Learn very well. Make sure you practice. Have a wonderful day.